Hello, in this video we present interactive analytical visuals of event and task data in the Progress IMS's Claims Manager Power BI panel. Power BI is used to consolidate business data in a central dashboard and analyze it through interactive visuals. With real-time data streams, drill-down functionality, interactive filters, and export options, it accelerates and clarifies decision-making processes. In the General Statistics section, trends are tracked by month using a line chart of event counts. KPI cards display confirmed and paid amounts, and bar charts by region and insurance type are provided. In the Call Center section, a chart of daytime versus nighttime call volumes, an operator selection filter, an hourly calls bar chart, and KPI visuals of average call duration measure call center efficiency. In the Accident Commissioner section, a donut chart shows event resolution times, KPI cards report accepted, declined, and in-progress tasks, and bar charts by region and insurance type illustrate the Commissioner's performance. In the Customer Service section, KPI cards display total event and task counts, as well as counts for confirmed, in-progress, and discontinued tasks. And bar charts by subrogation status and insurance type visually represent customer service processes. In the Assessment section, bar charts show the shares of internal versus expert assessments, and indicator visuals report the number of completed tasks and average amounts, visualizing work quality and financial metrics. In the Events Table section, an interactive table lists event number, call and event dates, vehicle plate number, insurance type, and insured party details. Filters, search, and sorting functions enable detailed analysis. In the Tasks Table section, an interactive table with search and filter functionality shows event number, vehicle plate, insurance type, insured party name, and task start date, allowing you to track task progress. Additionally, insurance company staff can update data on existing dashboards, modify visual elements, and extend functionality. When new requirements arise, entirely new dashboards can also be created. Thus, thanks to the Power BI panel, all key indicators and processes in the Progress IMS's Claims Manager system are tracked in real time through interactive visuals, and analysis is made easy with drill down and filter capabilities. Thank you for your attention.